In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Notion with Google Calendar. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so by the end, your Google Calendar events will be connected directly to Notion. Make sure you're already signed in to both your Notion account and the Google account that holds the calendar you want to use. That will make the setup much smoother. Start inside Notion. Look toward the top of the sidebar on the left and click on Settings. This opens your workspace settings where you can manage things like members, plans, and what we need today, integrations. Inside settings, find and click on the section labeled connections. This is where Notion lets you link outside tools and services to your workspace. Think of it as the control center for all the apps you want Notion to talk to. Once you're on the connections page, look for an option that says Browse Connections in Gallery and click it. This will open Notion's integration gallery, which is essentially a marketplace of apps that can plug into Notion. It may take a second to load, especially if it's your first time opening it, so just wait for everything to appear. At the top of the gallery, there should be a search bar. Click on that search field and type in Calendar. This helps you quickly filter all the available integrations so you don't have to scroll through a long list. As you type, you'll see a few different calendar-related options. From the results, locate Google Calendar and click on it. This is the official connection that will link your Google Calendar to Notion. When you open it, you'll see more details about what the integration does and what kind of access it needs in order to sync data. On the Google Calendar integration page, click on the button that says Add to Notion. This is the key action that begins the connection process. When you click it, Notion may open a new window or a pop-up asking for permissions and which workspace you want to connect. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to choose which Google account to use, grant permission for Notion to access your calendar, and confirm which pages or databases in Notion should be connected. Carefully read each screen, approve the requested access, and confirm your choices. Once you've completed those prompts, your Notion workspace will be synced with Google Calendar, and you can start viewing and managing your events right inside Notion.